Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a Pro Street Cuda from JoHan. 125 scale kit, and this particular one is S1001 and it came out in 1992. JoHan Models Incorporated, Detroit, Michigan 48212. And let's see, still sealed. Here's some info on the kit itself. 426 Hemi, dual distributors, very cool. 4 tube headers, decals sheet with contemporary striping design. That means it's 80s and 90s design. Detailed chassis, optional side windows, custom mag wheels, roll bar, all that good stuff. Alright, we're going to get right into this one, folks. Hope you all having a great day. So here, for the first time since 1992, this kit is going to be unwrapped. I always like the JoHan kits. They always remind me of good times. I think this is one of them goofy, yep, it is, the old donut box again. So I'm just going to dump everything out. Nothing was in a bag. Body's molded in white plastic. All the parts, major parts, are in white plastic. Here's some chrome. Some two-piece wheels. Those are garbage. Some windshield. I'll go ahead and show you those now. Real thin pieces of glass for the windshield. A little bit of scuffing up there because it wasn't protected. And then side glass. I'll set that over here for now. Hopefully I won't forget it when I put it away. And here's the tail lights. This way. There's the tail light panel. You can see the little piece that's going to show through the opening in the back of the body. Set that there. And then the instructions. And the box is empty. So we're going to just fold it up. Put it over here out of the way. So, first off, we have the body and chassis and the interior tub put together inside the box. As you've seen, it was fully sealed, so I had nothing to do with that. Here's a classic look for the rear end. Love that style. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, okay. And here is the front end. This is a 71 Cuda. Doesn't say anywhere on the box though. Isn't that interesting? Very distinctive look for that year. Alright. Okay. Nice quality of the plastic. It's funny though, it doesn't feel, I don't know how to describe it. Most styrene plastic model kits have a certain feel to them, and this one feels like it's a different mix of styrene, like the blend was different. You know, it's almost like it's a little bit brittle. It's interesting. Here's a very basic, with no frills added whatsoever, interior. Nothing going on in the bottom. And then the chassis with, again, no frills whatsoever. This is almost like a promo model. Jeez, nothing going on there. Alright, I'm going to just go ahead and push those all back in there. And that way it'll pack back up proper in the box when the time comes. We'll set that aside. Let me get these goofy wheels out of the way. So the front tires are solids. A lot of flash on them. Very poorly molded, I guess. And then these goofy slicks for the rear. They're okay, but I'm not a fan of the two-piece wheels or tires, whatever. So we'll set them there. Oh, I'm sorry. They are Drag 500s, Firestone for the rears, and Firestone for the fronts also. Let's see if we can get you a shot of that. There you go. And because the chrome's right here, I'm going to do that. Got the like Keystone style wheels, shifter bottom, the shifter half for the top. RPM gauge, it looks like, right there. Goofy looking front grille, but once it's behind the fins and everything, it'll look right. Big old carburetor tops, bottoms for the carburetors, rear bumper, and the front bumper's here. Okay. 426 Hemi valve covers, chrome cover for the rear end differential, chrome steering wheel, and that's all for that. And we have a giant scoop built right into the hood, so there's no building this one stock, guys. Or at least you'll have to go out and get you a different hood. Firewall, no, nothing. There's a hole for the master cylinder where that's going to go. That's all you get. So this is like a garage built car. Here's very basic dashboard, fan, radiator, wheel backings, radiator core support, and then the master cylinder, which goes in that little hole there. Coolant lines that are flexi hoses. Those are garbage, but whatever. And then we have rear leaf springs. Front and rear axles are different, and they are marked on the plastic. That's good to know. Let's see if I can get it in line there. It says rear is the back one and front is this one. So they're very different. This is a fuel tank, exhaust headers, and collector pipes for the exhaust. Front of the rear end differential, the carrier, front and rear halves of the differential of the rear axle, drive shaft, and I think these are the shackles that hold the rear end in place to these. That's that. I haven't seen like front spindles or anything. I wonder if they just go through the housing. Interesting. Oh, that was it right there, guys. Yeah, this is the bottom half of the underside of the car, basically where the K-frame would be. These enclose. They set here, so they go like this, and that creates the hole for your axle to slide through. That's what's going on there. Okay. I'm explaining it to myself more than to you guys. Here's some bucket seats, racing buckets, roll cage, front pan for under the this part right here. Goes under the grill and the bumper, and this is the roll pan for the back. Here's a dual quad setup, high rise, carburetor parts, timing chain cover with a lot of flashing on it, fan belt and pulleys. This is one of the here's the two distributors here. Oh, this is a steering column. Shock absorbers, the shackles for the rear springs. A couple of miscellaneous parts there. I'm not sure what those are. And then the big block and the heads, an oil pan, and oil filter. Boy, a lot of flashing on this kit, guys. They must have run this kit right till the end. So that's that. And here, oh, here's them fancy decals. Yeah, not much to the imagination there, guys. You'd almost be better off with a piece of a paint marker. A little bit of yellowing on this sucker. Look at this. This is funny. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. This is yellowed from the box, and then this is bright white because it was hidden from the air, I guess. That's too funny. Here's the instructions. Very, very basic. Put your engine together. Excuse me. Engine assembly, steering column. Yeah, that other little piece was a tachometer. Okay. Chassis together. Hood scoop. That's it, guys. Not a whole lot going on this kit. It's very, very basic, but a lot of demand for the JoHan stuff, and there it is. I'm pretty sure that's a 71 because of the double headlights, and it is the most in-demand Cuda Well, a 71 convertible with the 426 Hemi was the most in-demand hot rod, but that is what it is. Thanks for watching. We're going to see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Have yourselves a great day, everybody. Keep on modeling.